company behind ChatGPT has now made shocking allegations. They've come out and said that they disrupted the use of their platforms for many propaganda activities by an Israeli firm which was found generating comments that were focused on India, criticizing the ruling BJP, praising the opposition, the Congress party. According to a report that has been published by OpenAI, the firm used their models to generate large quantities of short comments that were then posted across social media platforms like Telegram, Instagram and X. OpenAI's report, AI and Covert Influence Operations, is based on how actors in cyberspace are using artificial intelligence to manipulate the masses. Reacting to the claims by OpenAI, Union IT Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar said that these claims expose a threat to Indian democracy and a bid of foreign interference.
कांग्रेस पार्टी का हाथ हमेशा इस प्रकार के मैनिपुलेटर्स के साथ क्यों होता है? और देखिए, ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जो विदेशी धरती पर जाकर कभी फॉरेन इंटरवेंशन की मांग करती है और अब फॉरेन इंटरवेंशन से भारत के चुनाव को मैनिपुलेट करवाना चाहती है। फेक वीडियोस, कैम्ब्रिज एनालिटिका, कांग्रेस पार्टी कब ये सब हरकतें छोड़ेगी और क्या इस पर जवाब देगी?
Pallavi, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more perspective on this. Pallavi, this is an issue that needs further investigation. Foreign interference election is not a new allegation. It's been made multiple times in the past as well. But this time around, with this new report, are we looking at the government initiating any sort of action, so to say?
Yes, in all likelihood. In America, we saw during the Trump election, this issue did come up where Meta, Facebook, was believed to have had an impact or influence on the campaigning. But it's also very interesting, Poonam, because just yesterday, the Congress party officially released data about the kind of traction or footprints they have on the social media. So they talked about how their Facebook likes, their tractions on Instagram, Twitter, and all of that was much, much higher than that of the BJP. Now, this is certainly going to be correlated because the feeling within the government is that many of these tractions are actually bots and that they are not organic in nature. And a more larger worry is in terms of security, the Chinese factor, the overseas factor. And therefore, it's in all likelihood that there is going to be an action initiated by the central government because they have to keep mark of the footprints and impressions on the social media timelines of everyone and also to see that it's not vulnerable to the overseas players.
Making our democracy and keeping it robust as it always has been is, of course, is a task, but that's something that the government is looking into. For the moment, Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us the latest. We are, in fact, getting some information via our sources within the government is that this fake narrative that's being peddled against India by an Israeli company is, of course, a matter of grave concern. This narrative that's being built on social media is something that the government is aware of. The government is also looking into what steps can be further taken. Abhishek, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Abhishek, what more have you learned from your sources within the government?
Well, the sources say that clearly government is aware of the situation and they are looking into the matters as to who all were behind this organized propaganda or campaign against the government from across the world. We know that in the last few months there have been several media reports from across the world which have tried to target the ruling BJP and also try to shape up the political discourse and the social discourse in India. And the government, especially the Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar, has been underlining this fact that foreign institutions are trying to back up certain front who are trying to shape up the narrative. So this latest incident involving an Israeli company is also part of that. But the more details are still to be shared, and government is in touch with the Israeli counterparts and to get more details as to who all were behind this organized campaign.
Right, Abhishek. Thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front.